Could a simple leaf really be the answer to some of our most stubborn health challenges? That's exactly what millions of people worldwide are claiming about moringa, and the scientific evidence might just surprise you. Moringa leaves, harvested from what enthusiasts boldly call the miracle tree, have taken the wellness world by storm, especially among fitness enthusiasts and health-conscious individuals. These vibrant green leaves are being hailed as a nutritional powerhouse capable of addressing everything from digestive troubles to blood sugar imbalances, and even potentially fighting cancer. But here's where it gets controversial. Are we looking at genuine scientific breakthroughs, or just another overhyped superfood trend? Separating science from hype, what experts actually say. Dr. Paul Manicum, a respected gastroenterologist and gut health specialist, recently shared compelling insights about moringa's health benefits through social media. His professional perspective adds credibility to what many consider bold health claims. But this is the part most people miss. While the benefits sound almost too good to be true, there's actually substantial research backing many of these assertions. Your digestive system's new best friend. If you've been struggling with persistent digestive problems or that uncomfortable burning sensation after meals, known medically as chronic acid reflux, moringa might offer the relief you've been searching for. Here's how it works in simple terms. When you consume moringa leaves, they don't just aid your digestion process. They actually perform a sophisticated balancing act in your stomach. According to Dr. Manicum's explanation, these leaves help your body digest food more efficiently, then cleverly neutralize excess stomach acid once that food moves into your intestines. For people dealing with GERD, gastroesophageal reflux disease, this dual action can provide significant relief from that persistent burning sensation. Healing your gut from the inside out. Here's something fascinating that most people don't realize. Moringa leaves are absolutely packed with natural anti-inflammatory compounds. Think of your gut lining as the protective barrier of your digestive system. When it becomes inflamed due to stress, infections, or poor dietary choices, it can't do its job properly. Moringa steps in like a skilled repair crew, working to reduce chronic inflammation and actually protect your gut lining from further damage. This is particularly beneficial if your digestive issues have been triggered or worsened by ongoing stress or frequent infections. The secret behind enhanced digestion. What makes moringa so effective at improving digestion comes down to special plant compounds called phytochemicals, specifically glucosinolates. These naturally occurring substances work behind the scenes to boost your body's production of digestive secretions, essentially giving your digestive system the tools it needs to work more efficiently. Blood sugar control, a game changer for diabetics. Now, here's where things get really interesting and potentially controversial. Medical research published in respected journals suggests that moringa leaf extracts might offer substantial benefits for people managing diabetes. The studies indicate these extracts could help stabilize blood sugar levels, enhance insulin sensitivity, and potentially reduce organ damage associated with diabetes. What's particularly compelling is that these effects might not only help prevent diabetes-related complications, but here's the question that sparks debate among medical professionals. Should moringa be considered a complementary treatment alongside traditional diabetes medications? Or are we getting ahead of ourselves? Beyond digestion, comprehensive stomach protection, moringa's benefits extend far beyond simple digestive aid, and this is where the research gets truly exciting. Early scientific findings suggest that compounds within moringa leaves might actually reduce the risk of developing colon cancer, a bold claim that deserves serious attention. Additionally, moringa demonstrates natural laxative properties, offering gentle relief from constipation without the harsh effects of synthetic alternatives. Its ability to regulate stomach acid production shows promise in preventing painful peptic ulcers. While its anti-inflammatory properties may help protect against serious conditions like ulcerative colitis, the cancer-fighting controversy, promise or premature claims. Here's where moringa research ventures into truly controversial territory. The plant contains a unique compound called niacinamide, which laboratory studies suggest may actually inhibit the growth and spread of cancer cells. Even more intriguing, research indicates that not just the leaves, but also the bark and other parts of the plant may possess cytotoxic properties, meaning they could potentially target and destroy harmful cancer cells directly. But here's the critical question that divides researchers. While these laboratory results are promising, are we jumping to conclusions about moringa's cancer-fighting abilities before we have sufficient human clinical trials? The scientific community remains divided on how aggressively we should promote these potential benefits. Practical ways to incorporate moringa into your daily routine. If you're convinced to try moringa for yourself, you have several convenient options. Fresh moringa leaves can be consumed raw by adding them to salads, providing a mild, spinach-like flavor with a nutritional punch. For those that prefer cooked options, these leaves work wonderfully in stir-fries, curries, and other hot dishes. Tea enthusiasts can steep fresh or dried moringa leaves in hot water for a refreshing, nutrient-rich beverage. Perhaps the most versatile option is moringa powder, created by drying and grinding the leaves into a fine consistency. This powder blends seamlessly into smoothies, can be stirred into yogurt or oatmeal, or mixed into various beverages for an easy daily nutrition boost. For those seeking convenience and precise dosing, moringa supplements in capsule form are widely available, though many nutrition experts argue that whole food sources provide superior bioavailability. The bottom line: miracle or marketing? So here's the million-dollar question that I want you to consider. Given the mounting scientific evidence supporting moringa's health benefits, why isn't this miracle tree more widely recommended by mainstream healthcare providers? Is it because the medical establishment is slow to embrace natural remedies? Or are we getting caught up in superfood hype before the complete picture emerges? What's your take on moringa's health claims? Have you experienced any of these benefits personally? Or do you think we're being too quick to label yet another plant as a miracle cure? More importantly, should natural remedies like moringa be integrated more aggressively into conventional medical treatment plans? Or should we maintain a more cautious approach until we have more long-term human studies? I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments, especially if you disagree with the enthusiasm surrounding moringa's potential. Are we witnessing a genuine breakthrough in natural health, or just the latest chapter in our endless search for dietary magic bullets?